Plant FAQs, Colocasia white lava. The enthralling Colocasia white lava, a tropical statement piece for your garden. As a plant enthusiast, I'm always on the lookout for foliage that adds a touch of the dramatic to my garden. Enter the Colocasia white lava, an elephant ear with a name as captivating as its appearance. This tropical stunner has become a personal favorite, and I'm here to share its unique charm and how to cultivate it successfully. See more 14 species in genus Colocasia at monsteraholic.com. Unveiling the white lava's majesty. How big does it get? The Colocasia white lava boasts impressive stature. It can reach a mature height of 36 to 48 inches, with its heart-shaped leaves adding another 12 to 18 inches to the spread. This translates to a bold, architectural presence in any garden bed or container. Beyond size, the allure of white lava's foliage. The true magic of the Colocasia white lava lies in its leaves. Imagine glossy, deep green foliage, splashed with a central band of creamy white that gradually bleeds outwards, creating a mesmerizing marbled effect. As the leaves mature, the white veins often develop a hint of red, adding another layer of visual intrigue. This stunning foliage thrives in partial shade to full shade, making it ideal for brightening up those overlooked corners of your garden. The white lava also possesses a wavy, undulating edge that adds a touch of whimsy to its overall form. How to care for your Colocasia white lava. The good news is that the Colocasia white lava, despite its exotic appearance, is surprisingly easy to care for. Here's what you need to know. Light. As mentioned earlier, partial shade to full shade is ideal. Avoid placing it in direct sunlight for extended periods, as this can scorch the leaves. Water. Consistent moisture is key. Aim to keep the soil evenly moist, but not soggy. Allow the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. During hot weather, you might need to water more frequently. Soil. While draining, fertile soil is crucial. Opt for a potting mix specifically formulated for aroids, or create your own by combining regular potting mix with perlite or orchid bark for improved drainage. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied every 2 to 4 weeks. However, the white lava isn't a heavy feeder, so err on the side of caution. Temperature. This tropical beauty thrives in warm temperatures. Ideally, maintain temperatures between 65 degrees Fahrenheit and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost, as it's not cold hardy. Giving life to more white lava. Propagation techniques. If you want to share the beauty of your Colocasia white lava with friends or expand your own collection, propagation is a breeze. Here are 2 methods you can try. Division. During the spring when new growth emerges, carefully dig up the main plant and separate the new corms, tubers, that have formed around the base. Each corm can be potted up individually to create new plants. Leaf cuttings. This method takes a bit more patience, but it works. Select a healthy leaf with a portion of the petiole, stalk, attached. Plant the petiole in a well-draining potting mix, keeping the soil consistently moist. With time, new plantlets should emerge from the base of the petiole. What to plant with your Colocasia white lava. The architectural form and striking foliage of the Colocasia white lava make it a versatile companion plant. Here are some ideas for creating a cohesive and visually appealing composition. Ferns. The soft, feathery texture of ferns beautifully complements the bold leaves of the white lava. Opt for shade-loving varieties like maidenhair ferns or Japanese painted ferns. Hostas. Hostas come in a variety of colors and textures, offering a welcome contrast to the white lava's green and white palette. Choose blue varieties for a cool and calming effect, or opt for variegated options for a touch of whimsy. Begonias. Shade-loving begonias with cascading flowers add a pop of color and a touch of romanticism to a planting scheme featuring the white lava. With its captivating foliage, easy care requirements, and versatility, the Colocasia white lava is a true gem for any garden. So, why not bring a touch of the tropics to your own backyard and experience the magic of this stunning plant?